Hello students, in the last two lectures, we have discussed question number 2a, that is identify and explain the concept. Now in this lecture, I will discuss with you relationship between TU and MU. See students, they may directly ask you explain the relationship between TU and MU, or sometimes what happens, they may ask you in do you agree statement, like there is no relationship. If they say there is no relationship between TU and MU, then remember your answer should be disagree with the statement, because there is relationship between TU and MU. There is relationship between TU and MU. And if they say there is no relationship, then you will say disagree. Okay. So there are chances that this question may ask in do you agree? I hope you have understood. Now, what exactly you are going to write in this question? First of all, you will write some introductory part of TU. We all know that TU is nothing but aggregate of all. So that you are going to write. Then MU, write the formula also. MU, summation MU, and MU is n minus 1, TU n minus 1. This we have already seen. We have to write this concept. Then we will start with the table. Okay, schedule part. First of all, write down, while writing table, they are not going to give you in any table. We have to remember, and that is the part, that is a very important part of your answer. So you are going to, once introductory part of TUMU is over, definition plus formula, then you are going to draw the diagram. Then you are going to draw the schedule. I will tell you how to remember this schedule. First, you will write this units of commodity. You can write with me also. So I have written 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then TU. Then we have MU. For writing MU, do one thing. At the end, we will write -2, then 0. There is a difference of 2. And you can write 2 table, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Sorry, we will write 10 like this. So the sequence is, I'm writing from below, -2, 0, 2, 4, 6. म्हणजे पहिली फिगर -2 लिहायची, 2 चा डिफरन्स आहे, 2 चा टेबल आहे, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Whenever you consume first unit, there is no any unit to compare. So MU of first unit and TU of first unit both are same. Now in the next step, what I will do, 10 plus 8 is nothing but 18. 18 plus 6 is nothing but 24. 24 plus 4 is nothing but 28. 28 plus 2 is 30. 30 plus 0 is 30, and 30 minus 2 is 28. In this way, I have finished. I have remembered this table. I will draw in this sequence only what I told you. First, write units of commodity. Then write MU from below, and then start adding and write your TU. Okay. Done with this. Now we are going to draw the diagram based on it. Now students, remember one thing while drawing the diagram. What we will do while drawing the diagram, see, I will show you how to remember how to draw this diagram also. We will take some different color. Okay. See, while drawing diagram, you will do x-axis, you will draw x-axis and y-axis first. Okay, we can take this figure, see how it will look. We will draw like x-axis, y-axis. You can draw like this. See, now we have to draw first commodity, second, third, fourth, 1 centimeter. Take the distance 1 centimeter. This is our x-axis. X-axis indicates units of commodity. Done with this. I hope you are also drawing. We have to show the negative quadrant also. So little bit stretch this diagram like this. This is origin, and here negative quadrant starts. As the last figure in this TU is 30, so it is not possible to take 1 2 3 4 5 6, because it will, the diagram will be the huge. Even taking 2 as distance is also quite big diagram you will get. So take the difference of, so for 1 centimeter, first 1 centimeter I will mark 4, then second 8, so I'm taking 4 difference. Then last one is 32. I hope you are understanding. This is 1 centimeter is 4, means half of this is 2. Half of 4 and 8 is 6. Half centimeter, I will mark as 10. Okay. So first completely draw TU first. For example, for first unit, you can see at first unit you have to consider 10. So what I will do, I will go here and 10 units. For example, it will come like this. For second unit, how much it is? 18. 18 will come here. For third unit, तीसरा unit ला 24 है. So it will be like this. Then for fourth unit, it is 28. I'm drawing from the table only, which we have remembered, which we have just drawn. From fifth, it is 30. 30 will come here. Sixth also 30. Seventh, see here, seventh is again 28. I have drawn this to you. Now I will join this. I'll label it as TU. Immediately label it. Okay, we have not labeled here as y-axis. On y-axis, we are showing TU as well as MU. X-axis, units of commodity. Y-axis, TU and MU. Now I will draw MU. See, MU table. I will draw this now. 10 at first unit, it is 10. At second unit, see here, I will go like this, 8. At third unit, it is showing 6. At fourth unit, it is showing 4. At fifth unit, it is showing 2. At sixth unit, it is 0. 0 is intersecting x-axis, so it will come here only. And 7 is -2. It should be somewhere here, because it goes in negative quadrant, and -2 will appear here somewhere. Okay, if you join this, it will come straight downward sloping curve. Label it immediately. This is called disutility. Label it all this. And here is your highest satisfaction, that is at sixth unit. It should come straight. It's not come. I have not drawn it properly. This point is called your point of satiety. And point of satiety means maximum satisfaction, where TU is highest and MU is 0. Remember this point. After that, TU starts falling and MU goes in negative quadrant. That is, disutility starts. So students, आतापर्यंत काय काय डिस्कस केलं आपण? TU म्हणजे काय, MU म्हणजे काय, with formula. That is introductory part. That is not compulsory, but it will create a good impression. huh? Then we will draw that table. While uh, writing that table, I told you write it 7 commodities. Then we will do the mu part, -20246, and then we will add back and we will write the tu part. Okay, then on the basis of that, draw x-axis, label it, y-axis, label it, 1 centimeter distance you are going to take. Then we will draw that point of satiety, disutility. Those things are very important. Label it properly. Then we will start with our explanation. Now if you see, the tu and mu, you can see both are starting from the same, that is 10. So we will say that initially both are equal. What both are equal? Tu and mu. You can see here tu is also 10, mu is also 10. Both are equal. Okay, then with the consumption of second unit, now you see the 10 tu, 10, 18, 24, 30, 30, 28, it's rising, it is not coming negative. So you can say that tu is rising, but at a, this sentence is very important. Whenever you say tu is rising, remember this, it is rising at diminishing rate, and tu is upward sloping and mu is downward sloping. What we have covered, first we said that tu and mu both are equal. Then we are saying that tu is upward sloping, tu is rising but at a diminishing rate, and mu is continuously falling, so mu is downward sloping. Then we will concentrate on point of satiety. Okay, this point of satiety, we know that point of satiety means maximum satisfaction, where tu is highest. And because see, after this, after this point tu starts falling, so tu is highest this at this point, and exactly at that point mu intersect x-axis. So x-axis mu is 0 when tu is highest. Remember this also, tu is maximum, mu is 0, and that point is called as point of satiety. Okay, then we have, we will say upward downward sloping, that also you can see that tu is upward sloping and mu is downward sloping. After this point, any additional unit consumed for the result in a decline in tu, while mu becomes negative. And we can say that after tu highest and mu 0, when you still consume, you will get negativity. You will get negative mu. So you will say that after the point reaching, rational consumer will stop, because obviously is getting disutility whatever he is consuming. तो जे काही कंझ्युम करतो त्याच्याने काय होतंय, त्याचे साइड इफेक्ट होतात एका पर्टिक्युलर. फॉर एक्झाम्पल, इफ यू आर thirsty, तुम्ही फर्स्ट ग्लास ऑफ वॉटर, सेकंड ग्लास ऑफ वॉटर, थर्ड ग्लास ऑफ वॉटर, एक असा पॉइंट यू विल रीच की आता मला नकोय, अँड इवन दो यू कंझ्युम इट, यू फील डिसयुटिलिटी, म्हणजे तुम्हाला कसं तरी व्हायला लागतं, त्याचा काही उपयोग होणार नाही, उलट काहीतरी त्रास व्हायला लागतो. सो वी ऑल विल see this, we will all will experience this. Okay, so you have to mention that also, disutility, point of satiety, downward, upward, negative, everything, each and every point, because we are showing the relationship between tu and mu. And when they ask you law of dmu, compulsory you are not going to mention anything about total utility. Remember this, students, because both the diagrams, both the tables are quite similar, but as the law of diminishing marginal utility, we are going to concentrate on only mu part, not tu part. In that case, we are going to write assumptions and all. Table and diagram is same, but we are not going to show the tu part in it. We are not going to mention much of tu. We will tell them about the point of satiety and all, but we are not going to show this. Here the question is relationship between tu and mu. That's why we are showing both comparatively. And the last point is, we can add that tu is always positive. From above we can we have noticed that tu is always positive. This is also your part of distinguish also. Okay, if they ask you tu and mu distinguish between, then you are going to write the meaning, formula, and you can write this: tu is always positive, and mu can be positive, negative, or 0. This is very important question and very simple question. Remember the table, remember the all the points, point of satiety, disutility, satisfaction, all these things. Tu is positive and all. Formula, write the formula properly. With this we have finished this question. Please student, don't get confused with law of DMU and relationship between TU and MU. Both the questions are different. Quite some points are similar over here. For example, table and diagram. Only in relationship between we are going to write TU also, MU also. And in the law of DMU, as the name suggests, law of diminishing marginal utility, we are going to consider only marginal utility in the law. But here, as they have asked you law of DMU, we are going to show them TU also, MU also. Label the diagram properly, draw the table properly, and the same question they may ask you in question number 5, that is diagram based question. And one common mistake people do, students do, is that they have by heart, they have learned this table and diagram, and they simply draw that diagram there, and in the exam they will give you different. In the exercise they have already given you such question. In second topic you can see the exercise, you can check the exercise. They have given you the different table, different values, and on the basis of that they have asked you questions. You write the questions, you give the answers properly, but while drawing the diagram, you draw with this table only. Don't do that. If such type of question is asked in question number 5, that is table based, whatever the values they will give you, accordingly draw that. This is totally different question, relationship between TU and MU. In that we are going to draw this diagram, table, whatever we have learned. Okay, thank you.